Welcome to a sensational journey with Daily Oats. Unlock health wonders, your ultimate guide to unleashing the incredible secrets lying hidden in plain sight within oats. Could you ever imagine a single grain could deliver marvelous health wonders, from delighting your heart to transforming your weight management journey? Today, we enter the mesmerizing world of oats. Not just a breakfast staple, but a wellness powerhouse. Join us on an expedition as we unravel the enigma of this unpretentious superfood. Are you set to learn how oats can sink delightfully into your lifestyle, playing a symphony of wellness benefits at your table? From the puny, super fibers that champion your heart's health to the natural compounds that keep your blood sugar in perfect balance, oats are truly a treasure trove of nutritional marvels, ready to be found. We're talking more than just a meal makeover, we're talking a life makeover. Each spoonful of oats takes you closer to a healthier, more vibrant you. So buckle up as we stir your fascination and reveal the astonishing health benefits of oats that could make every day a day of wellness and joy. Follow us on this adventure as we unfold how a humble, everyday grain could be your secret potion in the stead to a healthier, happier life. Who knew a simple grain like oats could help transform a healthier, happier you? Get ready to discover an adventure that is oats. Say hello to oats, heart health's best friend, a Weight Watcher's dream, and so much more. They're not just for breakfast anymore. They're a little grain that could, packed with benefits. In this series, be prepared to uncover the secrets from the rich fiber benefits that keep your heart beating strong and those natural compounds that keep your blood sugar in check. Every episode is a step closer that this grain will go from something in your everyday to something that has changed your life. Get ready to be amazed by the magic of oats, a superfood that is right in your own kitchen. We are not just going to spice up your meals, but change the way you think about health and nutrition. Now on to Oat World, where every spoonful takes you one step closer to an energized, healthier you. The nutritional benefits of oats. Oats are a veritable treasure trove of nutrients, packed with all kinds of beneficial components. They are one of the highest in dietary fiber, which is great for digestion and has been proven to help lower bad cholesterol. Oats are also a rich source of essential vitamins such as thiamine, vitamin B1, minerals such as magnesium and zinc, and unique antioxidants called avenanthramides that have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching effects. This combination of nutrients provides a slew of health benefits such as boosting your immune system, improving skin health, and ensuring overall vitality. Oats for weight management. Adding oats into your diet can help accelerate weight loss. The soluble fiber, beta-glucan, found in oats can absorb water and swell in the stomach to keep you fuller for longer, potentially decreasing your overall calorie intake. They're also classed as low glycemic index, which means the energy released from oats is delivered slowly, keeping you satisfied and reducing your cravings. Oats for a healthy heart. Frequent oat consumption is excellent for your heart. The beta-glucan fiber in oats has been shown to effectively lower bad LDL cholesterol without affecting and perhaps even increasing good HDL cholesterol. Decreasing your cholesterol levels can consequently decrease your risk of cardiovascular disease. But the heart health benefits go beyond fiber. In 2010, researchers also found that chemical compounds in oats, called avenanthramides, help prevent free radicals from damaging LDL cholesterol, reduce the stickiness of blood platelets, and inhibit the kind of inflammation that contributes to atherosclerosis. Perhaps even less surprisingly, the research also shows that eating oat products can help lower blood pressure, thanks to the chemical compounds contained in oats. Oats and blood sugar control. Oats are especially useful for diabetics or people at risk of the disease. This is because oats have a low glycemic index, thus preventing blood sugar levels to spike as it slowly releases glucose into the bloodstream, enabling a steadier energy level and good control of the disease. Oats and digestive health. Oats have a high fiber content, which is fabulous for the digestive system. Fiber moves through the digestive tract and helps facilitate the movement of the bowels. Furthermore, fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which promotes a healthy gut microbiome. It's also believed that regular oat consumption may reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Oats as an antioxidant source. Aside from avenanthramides, oats are loaded with other antioxidants, including vitamin E and ferulic acid. These compounds help to combat harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress, damage cells, and contribute to chronic inflammation, and in turn, diseases like cancer and heart disease. Per the Cleveland Clinic, they can also play a role in anti-aging and promoting skin health. The versatility of oats. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in so many forms. Traditional oatmeal is just the beginning. Think oat-based pancakes, muffins, and smoothies, and join the ranks of people who have made oat milk mainstream. Get creative and add a crumbly topping to your next dish. Use it in place of breadcrumbs. You can even use oats to make an incredible meatloaf. The options are endless. Plus, it offers a gluten-free alternative for those who can't consume wheat for health reasons, such as celiac disease or gluten intolerance, sensitivity. Oats for everyone. Oats win the top prize for being a great food for people of all ages, providing key nutrients for growth and development in children, contributing to weight management and the prevention of chronic diseases for adults, and enabling older adults to maintain heart health and digestive regularity. They are also vegan, gluten-free, and can be incorporated into low-calorie diets. As our tour of the wonderful world of oats comes to a close, we hope you realize just how special and far-reaching this unassuming grain is. We've seen how it is a key to keeping our hearts healthy, our blood sugar in check, and our weight manageable. But more than that, we hope you realize how a small decision on your part can make a big difference in the way you feel every day. A simple choice in the grocery store that can lead to a lifetime of feeling better. In our little adventure, oats stopped being just about oatmeal and showed themselves to be a powerful symbol of what we believe at 22. They are proof of the incredible power of natural nutrition and a good reminder of the little changes we can make every day that will add up to huge benefits over the rest of our lives. So, as you head back into the kitchen today and maybe look at the canister of oats on your counter a little differently, we hope your journey with this little grain doesn't end here. May each spoonful be more than just part of your breakfast, but also a little bite of the new, better feeling you. Thanks for coming with us on our little trip. We hope your road to feeling your best is filled with warm bowls of oats and all the fun, delightful spices and fruits you can throw in there. So, until we meet again, keep thriving and let good, delicious oatmeal be your trusty guide. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed the trip. From the benefits of oats that you probably never knew about, such as supporting heart health and weight management, to how easy it is to make them a part of your daily eating routine. Now, we'd like to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy oats? Let us know in the comments below and share your unique recipes or tips. Your contribution not only enriches our community, it also inspires others. If you found value in this lengthy detour, please give the video a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more insightful content. We thank you and are comforted by the knowledge that you are helping us bring more valuable content your way. Thanks for coming along, because as you know, small adjustments in our diet can lead to dramatic improvements in our health and well-being. Keep an eye on that mailbox for our next video filled with tips and insights on how to continue to make those smart choices. As always, remember to keep healthy and keep your curiosity. We'll see you in our next video.